Okay, well, here are 15 tips to build a tiny house on wheels that's safe for long-term use, and it has several aspects. The first aspect is about choose a sturdy trailer. Okay, the first point of it is about weight capacity. We can ensure the trailer can support your tiny house weight. And about the durable materials, we can select a trailer mode from high quality and rust resistant materials. And then for the second aspect is about the range for the frame, and for the first point of it is about the strong materials. We can use reinforced material for the frame to withstand travel and weather condition. Then for the second point of it is about regular inspection. Regularly inspect the frame for sign of wear or damage. Then for the third aspect is about insulate properly. And then for the first point of it is about the high quality insulation. We can use high quality insulation to regulate temperature and prevent moisture build up. Then for the second point of it is about the prevent condensation. Then we can ensure proper ventilation to prevent condensation. Then for the fourth aspect it's about electrical safety. It has 2 points of it, and then for the first point of it is about the professional installation. Hire a licensed electrician for electrical work. And then for the second point of it is about quality components. Use high quality electrical components and wiring. And then for the fifth aspect is about the plumbing safety. And the first point of it is about the waterproof connection. We can ensure all plumbing connections are waterproof and secure. And then for the regular maintenance, we have to regularly inspect and maintain the plumbing system. And then for the sixth aspect is about the fire safety. And for the first point of it is about the smoke detectors. We can install smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Then for the second point of it is about the fire resistant materials. We can use fire resistant materials in construction. Then for the seventh aspect of it is about the weather resistance. We can use a durable exterior. We can use durable weather resistant materials for the exteriors. And then for the sealant, we can apply sealant to prevent water infiltration. Okay, then for the eighth aspect is about regular maintenance. We can schedule the inspection. We can create a regular inspection schedule for the structure, plumbing, electrical system, and trailer. And we can address issues promptly. Address any issue or damage promptly to prevent further problems. Then for the ninth aspect is about the safety features. It's about the emergency exits and safety equipments. And then for the emergency exits, we have to ensure there are adequate emergency exits, and then we can install safety equipment like fire extinguisher. Then for the 10th aspect of it is about the quality materials. Then for the quality materials has several points. The first point is about the durable materials. We can use high quality durable materials for construction. And then for the sustainable materials, we can consider using sustainable material for eco-friendliness. Then for the 11th aspect is about proper ventilation. We can incorporate adequate ventilation system to prevent moisture build-up and improve air quality. Then we can regularly clean ventilation system to ensure optimal performance. Then for the 12th aspect is about secure appliance. We can ensure appliances are securely installed and anchored. Then we can regularly check appliance for proper function and safety. Then for the 13th aspect is about the weight distribution. We can ensure weight is evenly distributed on the trailer to prevent tipping or swaying. Then we can regularly check weight distribution and adjust as needed. Then for the 14th aspect is about the tire safety. It was important, so we can use high quality tires suitable for the weight and size of your tiny house, and we can regularly check tire pressure, tread depth, and condition. Then for the 15th aspect is about the professional help. We can consult with expert in tiny house construction, electrical, and plumbing. Then we can ensure you have the necessary permits and certification for your tiny home. Okay, by following these tips, you can build a tiny house on wheels that's safe, durable, and suitable for long-term use.